In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Gemini error code 1076. This error usually appears when you're uploading or attaching an image in Gemini. In most cases, it's caused by temporary issue or overload on Google server rather than a problem with your device. The first thing you want to do is clear the Gemini's app cache. For that, long press on the Gemini app. Now tap on the app info icon. This will take you to app settings. Here, tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Next, open Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar and here you want to search Gemini. Now, find the option of Update and tap on it. Once the application has been updated, open the app and check if your problem has been resolved. If the error still appears, try using a different internet connection or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try using a VPN, or if you're using VPN, disable it and check. If none of these steps work, the problem is most likely on Google server. Open any web browser and type Gemini server status. Open any reliable website such as Down Detector and check if there is a server outage. If there is, you simply want to wait until they fix this problem. After some time, open Gemini and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.